Hello everyone, welcome back to another intense episode of When People Meet with the Wrong Cops. In today's video, we'll witness real moments where reckless choices meet instant consequences, proving that challenging the law never ends well. The police were checking on a suspected car thief when he suddenly fought back violently, biting an officer and trying to grab a gun, but his actions only led to a regretful outcome. The law never overlooks anyone who crosses the line. The suspect was reported to have attacked random pedestrians, and when police arrived, he continued to flee and resist aggressively. But no matter how reckless or violent he was, he eventually had no choice but to surrender. After stealing, he went on to attack the police, a decision that only pushed him toward an even worse outcome.
You're gonna get tased! Get on your back! Get on your face. Get on your face. Get your arms behind you. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Your hands behind your back. Resisting. Put your hands behind your back. Calm down. Stop. Calm down. Calm down. They're here for you. We're here for you. Okay, we just want to digress from all this and move on, okay? So that's not good to you? All right, man. Michael.
A drunk man decided to drive to buy fried chicken for his son, then repeatedly resisted the police. It didn't take long for him to regret that choice. The law makes no exceptions. Resisting only makes things worse.
In your hand. What are you doing in your hand? What are you doing? Diane! Get your mom! Diane! Michael, give me your hand. What hand? Get Diane home right now. Diane! Get off of me! Put your hand behind your back. Put your hand behind your back. I'm gonna tase you. Tase me, man. For what? For what? For what? My son's here, dude. No! What's your problem, man? Get on the ground. 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 Turn over. For what? Because I told you arrest my wrist. Get off me, man. All right, watch out, watch out. Hey. Roll over. Roll over. Roll over. Behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Behind your back. You gotta stop, man. You're talking about the wrong person. Nothing wanted. Never been arrested. Please. Please, somebody. You're talking about the wrong person.
Brian Garay was found outside a house after violating a domestic violence restraining order. When he saw the police, he immediately ran, but the law never lets offenders slip away, especially those who defy a restraining order. Outright robberies and gyrations are
Stop being weird. You're like, I'm telling you, I'm here. Man, I'm telling you, bro. Like, I don't need no restraining. Bro, if I needed some emergency help, I'll call you. Like, I'll give you.
When Hollenbeck officers arrived at the scene after a report, a man suddenly stood up and charged at them with a knife. Despite warnings, he continued to attack. The situation escalated, forcing the officers to fire and use a taser to subdue him. Choosing to confront police with a weapon leads to only one outcome.
Hey, what's up? That work? How you doing? Hey, relax, relax, bro. Relax. Drop whatever you have right now. Drop whatever you have. Drop it. Hey. Hey, we're just come out so we can talk to you, man. You're not even in trouble yet. Señor, ven para acá. Come here. No, come here. Come here. Just hold down.
Stonington police responded to a domestic violence call. The suspect attacked officers with a weapon. Even after being restrained, he continued to resist, only speeding up the ending he brought upon himself.
Drop the knife! Drop the knife! Drop the knife! Kill me. Wait, kill me now. What else you got on you? Kill me now. What else you got on you? It's funny, huh? Did you beat the shit out of your father, too? Huh? Me, huh? You right? I don't think I got you. Punch me in the face. All right. Well, let me check on the father.
Choosing to confront the police with a weapon makes you pay the price faster than anything else.
Shots fired, officer code 4, suspect down, code 3 medical.
Alright, miss. Unfortunately, you are going to be found at fault for the crash.
When asked to comply with a routine check, the two individuals not only refused, but aggressively threatened the officers. They ignored every warning until the situation spiraled out of control. As always, resisting the police is never a wise choice. Both were quickly subdued and arrested on the spot.
No, that's a threat. That is a threat. I tell you what. Throw put your hands right back. You resist, you will get tased. I'm telling you that right now. Put your hands behind your back. You're going to get tased. Put your hands behind your back now. Put your hands behind your back or you're going to get tased. I'm not going to give you another warning.
That's it, Mama. We're
Police approached a suspect related to a domestic violence incident, but he tried to flee. The situation escalated when Bert grabbed a hammer and threatened the officers. He ignored all commands, forcing the police to use stronger measures. No weapon is useful when you choose to challenge the law.
Drop the weapon! Drop the weapon! I know where you now. Drop the hammer! Drop the hammer! Calm down. Drop the hammer. I'm not going back. Drop the hammer. Nobody wants to shoot you. Drop the hammer. Shit. Drop it. We're westbound behind the house.
Drop it!
Drop it. Get the hammer. Give me your other hand. Drop it.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Yeah.
Stand up, okay?
Yeah.
This reckless driver had no idea that a police car was right behind him, capturing everything. Resisting the police only leads to a worse outcome. A normal traffic stop could have ended peacefully, but this man chose to resist and ignore commands, forcing officers to deploy a taser. Fighting law enforcement is never a smart choice.
Taser deployed.
The law will not tolerate actions like this. He caused chaos in public and even attacked the police. His actions only pushed him into a dead end of his own making. A call from a Florida golf course forced police to step in after a woman acted aggressively towards staff. She even threatened the officers, leaving them no choice but to arrest her. Challenging the law never ends gently.
Everybody's disrespecting of me.
His actions were incredibly foolish. Thanks for watching When People Mess with the Wrong Cops. Which moment shocked you the most? What would you do in these situations? Share your thoughts below and don't forget to like and subscribe.